Hello everyone, welcome to the demo session of AWS and DevOps conducting by Cloud Maestru. So today we are going to discuss about the basics of cloud computing. In this session, we are majorly focusing on what do you mean by cloud and what do you mean by cloud computing, and basically why we are going to use cloud computing and why the cloud computing is becoming very important in every product development, and how the cloud developing is booming the entire technology. So this is what we are going to discuss on today class as a demo. So first of all, what is a cloud here? What do you mean by cloud? Okay, so basically cloud is nothing but called as an environment. Okay, an environment where we can deploy. Deploy means what? Deploy means, I'll tell you what do you mean by the deployment, where we can deploy our product. Product means what? Product means such as software, such as a web application, such as other applications, etc. Any type of applications you want to deploy, and you need an environment which is being globally delivered to all customers. Okay, globally delivered to all customers. So what do you mean by an environment here? An environment is nothing but called as which can accommodate our software, which can accommodate our any type of system, any type of application, any type of web development application, any type of certain amount of distinguishment or certain amount of any type of software environment you want to deploy. Deploy means what? Deploy means if you want to run in that particular environment or uploading any type of environment, and you are accommodating your entire software in the environment. So this environment is nothing but called as global environment. So basically, what is the difference between a local environment and the global environment here? Local environment is nothing but called as which is work under same network, For example, you have a Wi-Fi connection. Okay, you have a Wi-Fi connection in your house. So Wi-Fi is connected to whom? It will connected to the router. Okay, by router you are going to get the Wi-Fi signals like this. Okay, every time. So this router will have the signal of the Wi-Fi, and all the devices will be connected to this Wi-Fi communication network. That means what? These all networks are connected with the same network. These all devices are connected to the same network. Okay. So this same network is being connected to the same Wi-Fi. They can communicate with each other without any issues. So even it's not come under the internet concept, it's come under the same network concept. If a device is communicating with the other device by using the same network environment, okay? If one device is communicating with the other device, which is connected with the same network environment, is nothing but called as local environment. So coming to the global environment, what do you mean by global environment here? A global environment is nothing but called as if you're connecting with one device, different devices to the different networks, any type of network such as mobile network or Wi-Fi network or any other communication network, you are connected to the different network. But even though you communicated with the different network, you are communicating with each and every device independently. That means what? You are not connected with the same network, but even though you are not connected with the same network, you are communicating with these devices. How it is possible? By using the global networking. Okay, by using the global networking, this is communication is possible. So these global network concepts comes under the phenomena of internet. Okay, internet. Okay, network development, and as well as the data has been transferring from one medium to another by using the packets, data packets. So this is the concept basically. So by using the global environment, the cloud is came into the existence to the entire IT industry. So now you understand what is meant by the cloud. So an environment where we can deploy our products being globally delivered to all customers. That means what? For example, in the cloud, I can create our own computer. I can create my own computer, which is called as a server. Inside the server, I can upload the files, I can download the files, I can run any type of environment, I can run any type of softwares, and this softwares can be delivered to the different customers. Different customer means what? The customers who wants to use this server, they can connect to this server from anywhere in the world, and they can communicate with the server communication, and as well as they can download any type of files and they can upload any type of files. They can use the software without any issues. Okay, for example, let me give you an example. For example, let me open this browser and I'm typing google.com. So all you know, google.com is the universal website. So there is a SEO concept, search engine optimization. Whatever you want to type, it will type and give you the exact search operations, and it will give you the exact information. So Google is very famous. In the Google, you can see you are typing some messages, right? So you're typing some messages. So let me open you some option called, okay, there is an option called development options. One second, let me open that thing. Yeah, down, there is a more option, developer tools. So in the developer tools, you can see this is all the HTML and CSS language. That means what? Google is the server. Google.com is nothing but called as the address of the server. So which is nothing but called as domain. This is nothing but called as domain. So this domain is nothing but called as the address of the server of the Google. So when you click on this, okay, we are downloading the data. What is this data? This is the HTML data. Okay, this is the HTML front-end data. Now our browser, which is nothing but called as our Google Chrome. I'm using Google Chrome. This Google Chrome is entirely converting my HTML CSS downloadable data, and it was showing as a image. Okay, this is the image, and you can see this is a dynamic search engine optimization, and the logo right side there is a simple things, etc. We are going to see everything like this. So what is the phenomena is happening here? This is the phenomena is nothing but called as the data coming from the Google. Okay, the Google is the server. So let's come back to the thing here. So you can see I am the customer right now. Okay, so I am calling with the server called google.com. Once I send the request, I'm getting the downloadable data as the response. So this is my response. Okay, so this is the packets. Actually, this is called as a data packet. So whatever data we will receiving, it's called as a data packets. So this is completely global communication. Through the internet communication, we are getting all this information. Okay, so you understand what you meant by cloud as a definition. So an environment where we can deploy our product, such as web, software, or anything, you can get globally delivered to the all customers. So this is how the cloud is going to be work. So I hope you understand what you meant by the cloud definition. So thank you very much for watching the video. Please do like, share, subscribe the video. Thank you very much. Bye bye.